free laptops when you invest. It's a reality, and we are doing this at ILIPUTER. I'm Ilya, I'm founder of the ILIPUTER tech company, and we are manufacturing, designing computer products for global market, and we have a great, it is innovative business model. We give the products for free for people, for customers who are going to invest in our company. Let's say you want to buy this laptop. It's been manufactured by ILIPUTER. So let's say you want to buy this laptop. How much? What is the price? Let's say €1,000, okay? Now, if you come to invest €1,000 or dollars at ILIPUTER, to do what? To get stocks or shares of the company, then we are going to give you this product as a gift, okay? This is free laptops. Why they are free? Because the money that you are going to pay is considered as investment at the company, and you're going to receive shares of the company in order to make money, build wealth for yourself, and you are going to have also this product. That's all. Look, here we are pioneering the world first business model that customers become shareholders when they make a purchase. In this case, at ILIPUTER, we are focused on computer products. So if you want any computer products for free, join ILIPUTER, invest your money, and the products will be delivered to you as a gift or for free. And you have the stocks at the company as well. So you have two, the product and also the shares of the company. Love you all, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and let me know really what do you think. Do you think is a good idea to receive free products and become investor at ILIPUTER? This is the privilege that we have created for you to benefit humanity worldwide. I wish you enjoyed this video, and also check out other videos that may pop up here or here, and till the next one.